How to change language in Uber app. If you want to change language in your Uber app, then there is no option to change it directly in the Uber application itself. However, you can still change the Uber app language. For that, you want to open up your settings, then scroll down a bit and select General Management. Now tap on Language. You can directly tap on the search icon and search for language as well. Now, if you have the language that you want to choose in this list, tap on that. Otherwise, tap on the Add Language option. Now, select the language that you want to add. Once you have added your preferred language, tap on that, then tap on Apply. As you can see, the language has been changed. Now, you want to open the Uber application. Once you open the Uber application, you might have to log in again. And as you can see, the language has been successfully changed in Uber app. And that's it for this video. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.